How to connect to Jira data using Designer. First, drag the Jira query component onto the canvas of an orchestration pipeline. Basic and Advanced mode gives you the option to construct your query in two different ways. Advanced mode requires you to write SQL to query your Jira data. In Basic mode, you can construct a query using the data source and data selection properties. Then choose an authentication method. This can be either username and password, or username and API token. Enter the corresponding credentials, in this example, an API token. Then enter the URL of the Atlassian account that your username belongs to. Under the data source property, you'll have access to your Jira data sources. After the data source has been selected, the data selection property allows you to select specific columns from the data source. Then, under the target table property, choose the table name you want to load your Jira data to. Then select where your data is to be staged. In this example, we'll be using a Snowflake managed staging area. An Amazon S3 location and bucket can be selected if preferred. Opting to use S3 will reveal additional properties to configure the staging location. Now you can configure any additional properties if required. Once everything's configured, check the orchestration pipeline validates successfully. Then click the Run button to run the pipeline. Your Jira data will now be available in the target table defined earlier, ready for further transformations. For full information on the Jira query component and the Data Productivity Cloud, please visit the Matillion documentation site.